Installing the Route 66 Kodi build on Kodi 21 Omega is a straightforward process that will enhance your streaming experience. First, open Kodi and navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, go to System and enable Unknown Sources under the Add-ons section. This step is crucial as it allows installations from third-party sources. Next, head back to the main menu and select File Manager. Click on Add Source, then choose and enter the URL for the Route 66 repository. Make sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. After that, give it a name, let's call it Route 66, and click OK. Now return to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click on the open box icon at the top, then Install from zip file. Find Route 66 and select the repository zip file to install it. Once that's done, go back and choose Install from Repository. Select the Route 66 repository, and then click on Program Add-ons to find the build installer. Finally, select the Route 66 build and click Install. After a few moments, the build will be ready to use. Just restart Kodi and you'll be all set to explore the fantastic features of the Route 66 build. Enjoy your streaming.